Hi everyone, I am Jean and I work as a computer music designer at Ircam. My main mission is to teach to the composers of the cursus. The cursus is our professional training that welcomes 10 students every year. They come from all over the world and they stay 1 year to learn Ircam software and they work on an artistical project. C-Lab Taiwan Sound Lab and Ircam collaborate to conduct a Max and Spat workshop starting this October. So I designed this workshop and I will be your teacher during the sessions. Ircam Spat is a space simulator. It means it can reproduce the movements of sound sources in virtual acoustics. It can manage setup of speaker from the stereo to ambisonic domes at the one you have installed at the C-Lab. Spat takes the form of Max external objects that we will study and use during the sessions. The main goal of the workshop is to build step by step a Max environment for the performance that will include Spat modules to manage the diffusion of sound on an ambisonic dome. This workshop includes online teaching, individual tutorial session, and I will be your guide through the process of creation. So, if you are interested in computer music, in learning how to build a max patch for the performance that includes spatialization with the Spat, to project your sounds on the ambisonic dome of the C-Lab, then you are very welcome to join us, and I hope to see you very soon at the workshop.